Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pacifiers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Tommee Tippee Pacifier. The Tommee Tippee Ultra-Light silicone pacifier is light enough to stay put in baby's mouth for longer, so you don't need to replace it every few minutes. This ultralight pacifier features a symmetrical silicone nipple and with no wrong side up. It will always be placed correctly in baby's mouth. The curved shield ensures a comfortable fit between baby's nose and chin. And the large holes allow extra airflow and prevent moisture buildup to help prevent skin irritation. The hygienic anti-static properties prevent dust from settling. And the one-piece design is really easy to clean, dishwasher safe. The pacifier shield curves at the top and the bottom to ensure that it sits comfortably between baby's chin and nose. At number 5 we have Philips AVENT Pacifier. Philips AVENT Soothie Shapes is from the pacifier brand, distributed in hospitals nationwide. It is used by doctors and nurses to soothe newborns. Its one-piece construction is specially sized and shaped for babies 0 to 3 months old. Soothie is designed to calm and soothe without inhibiting normal oral development like the natural development of teeth and gums. It won't become sticky, discolored or misshapen. Soothie is made of hospital-grade BPA-free and latex-free silicone for strength, comfort and durability. It is dishwasher safe and can be sterilized in a sterilizer. At number 4 we have Itsy Ritsy Pacifier. You can help soothe your sweetie in style with these adorable pacifiers from Itsy Ritsy. Their one-piece design is made of durable latex-free silicone. And each pacifier features a precious sprayed accent on the handle to coordinate with baby's outfits. This pacifiers meet ASTM safety standards and include 2 large vent holes for breathability. Each pacifier is made of a one-piece design and features 2 extra large air holes for added safety. These pacifiers are dishwasher safe on the top rack only and are also microwave steam sterilizer bag safe. At number 3 we have Philips AVENT Pacifier. The pacifier brand, distributed in hospitals nationwide, used by doctors and nurses to soothe newborns. Its one-piece construction is specially sized and shaped for babies 0 to 3 months old. Soothie is designed to calm and soothe without inhibiting normal oral development, like the natural development of teeth and gums. Soothie is made of hospital-grade BPA-free and latex-free silicone for strength, comfort and durability. It is dishwasher safe and can be sterilized in a sterilizer. At number 2 we have Nook Pacifier. The new Nook pacifiers are accepted by 95% of babies and feature the improved orthodontic nipple shape. Nook's asymmetrical nipple naturally fits baby's palate and is now improved to allow for more room for a natural sucking motion. That's reduced pressure on teeth and jaw and helps prevent teeth misalignment. This makes for an easy transition from breast to pacifier and back. The Nook heart-shaped shield fits perfectly under baby's nose for easier breathing and prevents irritation. At number 1 we have Philips AVENT Pacifier. The Philips AVENT Soothie is used by medical professionals to calm newborns in hospitals nationwide. It's made of BPA-free medical-grade silicone and it has a unique one-piece design that's easy to clean. Soothie is made of hospital-grade BPA-free and latex-free silicone for strength, comfort and durability. It is dishwasher safe and can be sterilized in a sterilizer. Soon all of the Soothies will say Philips AVENT. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pacifiers for your need.